Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this tablet. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down and choose Advanced Features. Following that, click on App Cloner and tap on the switcher next to an app that you want to clone, in my case Facebook. Then wait a couple of seconds. And now when I click Home button and look for Facebook app, I can see that mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!